Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you cannot change the storefront information for your account at this time. So guys, if you're trying to change your country or region on your iPhone but you are unable to change it and you face this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you change your country or region on your device. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen. And now you have to simply open settings in your device and now tap on your profile, and from here tap on subscriptions. So guys, wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply make it sure that there is no unpaid subscription on your Apple ID. So guys, if there is any unpaid subscriptions, simply pay for this, and after this go back. And now you have to simply tap on media and purchases, tap on view account, and now tap on country or region, and now tap on change country or region. And from here you will be able to change your country or region very easily. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply select your country or region, and after this you have to simply follow the instructions to save the country on your device. So guys, do this, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.